Okay, so this exercise says styling an article. You're starting to add style. This is kind of an introduction to CSS, which is something we're going to be doing soon. But it says for this page, you're given a short article and you need to add some style. For the H1 tag, so this is only for the H1 tag, add the following. Center the text using text align. Set the font size to 50 pixels using font size. Set the text color to navy using color. And then for the paragraph, set the font size to 20 pixels. Anytime the word ChatGPT is mentioned, make it bold by emphasizing it with the strong tag, and then use styling to make the text inside each strong tag the color red. Hint, ChatGPT is used 4 times. So we'll say get started. Alright, so the first thing it wants us to do is to add style to the H1 tag. And we only need to do that by adding changes to the opening tag. The close tag will still be the same, but we do H1 space style equals, and we're going to do a quotation mark, and we will do text dash align colon center. And then we're going to do semicolon because we're adding more stuff. And we're going to do color colon navy. And then we're going to do semicolon and then font dash size colon 50 px for pixels. Alright, and that should be it for the H1 tag. So we will refresh and we'll see what that looks like now. So now it's centered, it's navy colored, and it's big because it's got 50 pixels for its font size. And then for paragraph, we need to add some stuff as well. So we're going to do P space style equals quotation mark font dash size colon 20 pixels, and then we're also going to add a strong tag here because ChatGPT is the first word and they want us to make all the ChatGPTs strong. So strong style equals quotation mark color colon red semicolon, and then we're gonna do end quotation marks and close that. And then we're gonna take this in the strong tag, we're going to Command X or Control X if you're on a PC. Then we're gonna do Command V or Control V if you're on a PC to cut and paste. And we're going to get that. And so basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just highlight this whole thing because it wants that same style every time ChatGPT is mentioned. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to do Command C to copy. And then I'm going to read through here and I'm going to find every spot that it uses ChatGPT, which here it is again. I'm going to highlight ChatGPT because I want to erase that. I'm going to highlight it and then I'm going to do Command V to paste. Here's ChatGPT again. Let me see what it says for this one. Oh, it just does the ChatGPT. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to do Command V or Control V if you're on a PC. And then that's 3, so this should be the last ChatGPT. Command V to paste that there. Then I'm going to redo this, and we should have 4 ChatGPTs, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can go to our test cases, we can check our code, and we've got all 5 done. So we'll click Submit and Continue. And yay, we're done.